Credit report tip of the day. A credit report is a practical tool for climate change preparation because it determines how quickly and affordably you can invest in protection before impacts occur. Climate readiness requires upfront spending on solar power, water storage, home reinforcement, and higher insurance deductibles, costs that are often financed rather than paid in cash. A strong credit report lowers borrowing costs, increases access to green financing and utility programs, and allows timely action instead of delayed vulnerability. In this way, managing and improving your credit is not just financial housekeeping. It is a climate adaptation tool that enables preparedness, reduces long-term damage, and supports faster recovery in a climate-stressed economy.